Welcome to For Hunt. I'm Rosa Dobarco. I'm the person who registered your child for school. I get a lot of questions about how to enroll students in school. The most important question is how to make a SIS parent account. First, call me at 703-619-2600 and request an activation code or activation key. Check your email for the activation key. Use this key and set up your new account by using the QR code labeled SIS. Using your parent's SIS account, you can create a Schoology account, see your child grades, see your child's bus routes, complete school forms online, email your child's teacher. Questions? Email Rosa at rrdobarco@fcps.edu or Tracy Hutchison at tthutchison@fcps.edu.